Good morning. It's like 9 o'clock and we are headed down to the fishing expo. Man, so this is gonna be interesting. Like, we got, if you guys can't tell, like, ooh, everything's just ice. We got like a gnarly ice storm last night, so that kind of delayed our whole little trip. Oh man, I'm gonna fall. But yeah, I hope everybody's having a great day, and I don't know, we're going on a little road trip today. I'm gonna go pick up my buddy. This will be my first time actually going to this expo, so I really don't know what to expect. I'm gonna film a little bit of it. I'm probably just gonna film like the key things of what we do there and stuff. I don't know, it might just be some B-roll. It really depends what this is gonna be. If it's something sweet, I'll film the sweet stuff. So I don't really know. But today we're just doing a road trip vlog, and yeah, so happy fishing everybody. Happy Saturday, and let's get to it. Boy. Good morning. How you doing?
What's up, man?
We're gonna do a quick little food stop here and get on the road. Get my wallet in my pocket. Look at this kid. Let's go get some food. Gecko stop. Gecko moves for sure. All right, let's go get some food. Alrighty, we are on the road right now. And I don't know, we pretty much just got a lot of driving ahead of us. Hey, I really don't know what to expect with this. I guess there's gonna be like a lot of bigger guys there. I don't know about today specifically, but like Scott Martin's supposed to be here, so that's supposed to be sweet. A bunch of other expo guys, so I'm curious. I'm gonna run into like some other people in this YouTube community. I don't really know what to expect. I don't know if this is gonna be like a mini iCast or if it's just gonna be like some little convention. I don't really know. So we got a lot of driving ahead of us, and then I guess we'll see you guys when we get there. So we made it. And honestly, like I was saying, guys, like I don't know if I'm gonna vlog. Ooh, nice. You know, so I might just take some B-roll or something. If I meet some people in there, maybe I'll throw the camera on, but we're kind of just winging it. We're just here to have fun, so let's get it. You got everything?
Chicken sandwich, open.
Yeah, I don't know, dude. It's my little brother. Let's go. All right, we're gonna go look at some fish and stuff. Ooh, that sounded good. Alrighty, so yeah, we pretty much just... You done? You done? So yeah, we pretty much just went through the expo. It was sweet. I mean, nothing crazy, just like a bunch of fishing stuff, huge fishing community. Yeah, pretty much. So I actually did buy a few things. I guess we'll show you those when we get home. Right now, we got some running around to do because we got a big night tonight for some other shenanigans. And then, yeah, I don't know. So we're gonna go grab some food, and then we're gonna touch base back at home and do that because the weather is just it's just not good. So unfortunately, I'm kind of trapped in the car right now. So we'll see y'all when we get home. What's going on, dudes? What's going on, yo? We are back from the expo. We're back, Jay chilling in the basement, or like my office, whatever. Today was kind of hectic. To be honest with you, we really didn't vlog too much, so I apologize for that. We kind of just hung out at the expo. It was just, there was so many people there that if I tried to actually vlog and hold the camera out like this, like I would have just bumped into person after person after person. So I kind of just kept the camera away. I took a couple B-roll shots, which you guys saw. And then we just hung out. So some people did show up, so shout out for the guys that said what's up. You know, I don't know. It was chill. It was cool. It was nothing crazy, but you know what? Hey, it was something to do today. I wanted to buy a bunch of stuff, but you know, I kind of held back from impulse buys. I did buy a couple things, like one of these guys right here. If you guys have never heard of Favorite Fishing, I picked up just this spinning reel combo. It's a nice medium combo. What is this? This is the Whitebird combo. I picked it up. I mean, it was decently inexpensive. It was like $100 basically said and done. Yeah, I picked it up because I've been wanting to kind of try out Favorite, and they actually had a booth there, which is really cool. And dude, those things were selling like hotcakes. Like all those guys that bought those, you know, rods that John B makes and Flair makes and Lunkers TV and them, like those things were selling like hotcakes. So I mean, they were decent rods. It was nice to actually get one in my hand and feel it, but you know, I didn't really feel the need for one. So I bought this setup mainly because I could use a new medium setup for like the river and stuff like that. So I picked that guy up. Excited to try it out. Give Favorite a go. I think they're a super cool company for what they do for YouTube fishing and stuff. So heck, let's try it out. And then other than that, I think, dude, I just bought like a ton of soft plastics. Like, they had this like booth there where it was just like fit as many soft plastics as you could in a bag for $20 or for $1, not $20, $1. So like I got a bunch of like craws and stuff. Like I don't even know. Here, let me. So much soft plastics. I don't know what to do with them all. There's just so many. So it's just all assorted like stuff to tip jigs and spinner baits and stuff like that. So hey, those are gonna be cool. But yeah. And then other than that, we got these guys right here. All the paperwork for all my tournaments this year. So we got to pick up a boat pretty soon here in the spring. Your boy's got to buy another boat. We got to get back into these tournaments. And yeah, that's a whole different ball game. But anyways, that was just a little quick video of what we did today at the Expo. We just kind of chilled. It was a fun day. And yeah, I'm going to be doing a Q&A on a live stream here really soon. So hammer me with the questions. Other than that, I hope you guys are enjoying the content. You rock. I'm Jordan. This is Tightline TV. Hit me up on social media, and I'll catch you later. Peace out.